So it's really windy here at the beach today, and I was just coming down into the carport and I thought I saw a little tumbleweed come through, and it was this little baby bird. He just blew through the carport. Little baby, so scared. So I moved him into the garage. It's not windy in there, and maybe his mama will come get him, I don't know. But at least he's safe from the wind. I found him over here in this, like, underneath that swing. What should I do? I don't know what to do with a baby. I don't want to mess with Mother Nature. And you seem strong. It's just so windy and you're so tiny. Like a little baby.